Welcome back to Mind Body Wealth,
where we believe that financial literacy is the key to unlocking a brighter future, especially for young adults who are just starting their journey towards financial freedom. So let's begin with some financial advices to protect and grow your money.
Number 1. The power of insurance. Insurance serves as a crucial safety net, providing financial protection against unexpected events that could otherwise hinder your financial goals by exhausting your hard-earned savings. Different types of insurance policies are designed to cover different aspects of life, including health, vehicle, life, etc. Of course, insurance coverage comes at a cost, known as premiums. While paying premiums may seem like an added expense, but the financial protection cover provided by insurance greatly outweighs these expenses and gives a sense of peace to the policyholder. When purchasing insurance, it's crucial to shop around and compare quotes from multiple providers to ensure you're getting the best coverage at the most competitive price. Don't hesitate to ask questions and clarify any terms or conditions before committing to a policy. 2. Avoiding debt traps. Practical tips to stay on financial track.
Debt is money borrowed from someone else, usually with a promise to pay it back later. Interest is the extra money you have to pay on top of the amount borrowed, usually calculated as a percentage of the original debt. A debt trap is when someone gets stuck in a cycle of borrowing money they can't easily repay, leading to increasing financial burdens.
This financial obstacle can be avoided using following tips. Building an emergency fund. Say no to high-interest debts. Resisting impulse spending. Explore lower interest options like personal loans. Utilize prepayments for home loans to significantly reduce total debt. Maintain good credit and use it responsibly. Advice number 3. Why investing beats saving. When you save money in a bank savings account, it just sits there, earning minimal interest and often fails to keep up with inflation. But when you invest, your money has the potential to grow exponentially over time. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing offers the opportunity for significant returns that far surpass what you'd earn from a savings account. Although stock market can lead to significant gains, they can also result in substantial losses, with prices fluctuating wildly in response to economic conditions, geopolitical events, or even investor sentiment. Above all, education is your best defense against investment risks. Take the time to research different investment options, understand their potential risks and rewards, and consider seeking guidance from financial professionals or mentors. Advice number 4. Financial freedom. Unlocking passive income streams. Passive income is money earned regularly with little to no effort or active involvement required from the recipient. Passive income offers financial freedom. Consider rental properties for steady cash flow, dividend-paying stocks for regular income, or creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock photos, etc. for scalable earnings. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and stay informed about emerging opportunities. With careful planning and consistent effort, passive income can pave the way to lasting financial security and independence. Remember, financial literacy is not just about knowledge, it's about taking action. Start today by implementing these tips into your life. Whether it's insurance, investment, or building passive income, every step counts towards securing your financial future.